5 simple and inexpensive ways to improve your soil fertility. In today's video, I'll show you how I use organic materials to fertilize my soil. I have here coffee grounds, dry leaves, eggshells, banana peel, kitchen scraps or vegetable peelings. First is the eggshells. It is a source of calcium, and calcium develops tissues, cell wall, and cell membrane of the plants. It can improve fruit quality. I have 2 ways to use these eggshells. One is to crush the eggshells and directly put them to the soil. 2 is making my own calcium phosphate, and I'll make separate video for that. Next is the coffee ground. These are a good source of nitrogen, and nitrogen gives the green color of the leaf and also produce the food for the plants through photosynthesis. I scatter them directly to the soil or dilute it in a bucket of water and water them to the plants. There's no specific ratio for this. Next is the dry leaves and grass clippings. I use them for mulching to lessen the weed growth and also retain moisture of the soil, especially when the weather is fluctuating. It protects the plants from having a disease, and it is also a good source to feed the earthworm, and eventually it will decompose, adding more nutrients to the soil and improve the soil structure. Banana peel. This is a good source of potassium, so your plants will produce more fruit. I cut them into pieces, put it in a container, and dilute it with water. After 2 days, I water them to the plants. Lack of potassium of plants can cause yellowing color at the leaf margins. Last is the kitchen scraps. These are vegetable peelings. I put them in my compost or put them underground and let it decompose. And that is my 5 best natural fertilizers that I use in my garden. These are great sources to keep your garden to be sustainable and produce high quality vegetables and plants. Hope you enjoyed it and find this video helpful for your gardening. Thanks for watching.